Hello there! In our previous video, we looked at reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. But is there any difference between them? Well, each other is used in informal writing and speech, while one another is used in formal contexts. However, the most common difference is how they are used when referring to people or things. For example, while each other is used when referring to two people or things, one another can be used for more than two people or things. Let's use them in sentences. The judge asked my sister and I to forgive each other. There are two people in this situation. The judge asked my sister and I to forgive one another. We see more than two people here. In a general sense, both pronouns are interchangeable. However, it is important to put it in context so that the listener or reader can understand the number you're referring to. Alright, this is all I have for you today. See you next time. Bye!